Hello and welcome to my treatment room here in Hertfordshire, and today I'm demonstrating hamstring exercises. We'll start with a hamstring curl and there's a few variations on that. So your hamstrings are the muscles that come from the bony parts of your pelvis down the back of the thigh, and they're attached to the top of the tibia, the lower leg, and essentially that action is that they bend the knee. So that's what we're going to do. So feet kind of comfortable, hip distance apart. I like to have my hands on the buttocks because I can feel those muscles working to kind of stabilize. So you simply bend the knee, raising the foot behind you. If I'm doing several, I quite like to have my toes just touching the carpet for stability in between. Now, if you find it difficult, you can just do a really small movement. That is absolutely fine, doing that on both sides. Okay, so very minimal. Again, this is quite a nice one to do while you're waiting for the kettle to boil. If you're able to take it a bit further, then you can aim for right angles, like so, or even further than right angles. Okay, so, and again, doing that on both sides. Obviously, when you're doing it at home, you don't need to do the turning around thing. That's just me showing you in the video. So you just do a few on each side. I'm going to have the same number: 2 each side, 3 each side, 4 each side, 5 each side. But this is quite good, say, in the supermarket queue, whether at the checkout or queuing to get into the supermarket, because you've got room at the moment. Variations on that. The hamstrings actually made of, there are several different muscles that make up the hamstrings down each leg. So in order to get different parts of the hamstrings, we can vary it by bringing your bending foot up behind you. So like so, comme ça. Okay. And or you can do the Charleston and come outwards like that. The flapper dress and the long necklace are entirely optional. So there we are. There we have a few hamstring strengthening exercises, hamstring curls. I am Christina Raven and I'm an osteopath and cranial osteopath. My website is yourbodyinharmony.co.uk, and there should be a subscribe button down there somewhere. If you would like to subscribe, that would be great. And I'll see you again soon. Stay well. Bye now.